Place toothpaste on the toilet paper and you will not want to use it otherwise. Once you know it, you will run to do it today. But before showing you what it is for, I would also like to teach you another trick that I recently learned, which is also done with toothpaste. First, take a medium-sized container and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Then add a tablespoon of toothpaste. Stir everything very well until a dough is made. Once you have the dough ready, you will give it shape until you create a few balls with it, as I show you. These bicarbonate balls and toothpaste serve to keep the sanitary of your bathroom disinfected and flavored. This will help your bathroom stay clean and free of stains for much longer. So you won't have to wash it so often. I would like to know from which country you are watching this video, so I can send you a special greeting in the next one. Once you have the balls ready, put them in a container. And now we are going to use it as follows. First, remove the lid from the tank of your toilet or sanitary. Then add one of the balls there and let it act for about 15 minutes. If you prefer, you can also use it directly in the cup of the toilet. Let it act for 15 minutes, unload and ready. Your bathroom will be scented, disinfected, and free of stains and dirt. And now, let's get to know today's special trick, which is to know what it takes to put toothpaste on the toilet paper. To do this, we will need toothpaste, and we will also need a little bit of deodorant or floor cleaner. In a container, we put a little toothpaste. We also add a little bit of floor cleaner and mix everything very well. When mixing the toothpaste with the deodorant, these together have an aromatic effect that is quite refreshing. Once it is well mixed, we take a roll of toilet paper and spread it well inside the cone of the roll. By doing this, we will be able to set the bathroom with a very rich and refreshing aroma, which will remain in your bathroom all day. If you got to this part of the video, leave me the phrase toothpaste for my bathroom, so I'll know you stayed until the end.